Alright, friends, now this is a little more of a, I wouldn't say it's a whole lot more difficult, but it gives you a little bit different information. See, on this problem, they tell you to find the value of x, right here, find the measure of AM, and the measure of AB. Now, in this particular problem, a big important piece about what you've been given, AB is equal to 10x minus 6. So the whole thing, all the way across, is equal to 10x minus 6. And yep, you guessed it, we're going to need an algebra equation to figure out what x is so we can answer the question about what AB is and what MB is and what x is for that matter. So what I want you to do first is we're going to start filling things in. Well, the first thing is we know that all the way across, how far is that? That's right, that's this part right here. AB is equal to 10x minus 6. And now, on the next part is where we have to be careful, okay? All the way across is equal to 10x minus 6, okay? And you see where this side is equal to 4x plus 1. Well, what else is equal to a 4x plus 1? That's right, the distance from A to M is. And so, it's how many of those are purple lines do we see go across? We see 2 of them. So you're going to put 2, and then in the parentheses, you're going to fill in the 4x plus 1. Okay? And teachers, if you want to just pause just for a second, let the kids do what they need to do, work this equation out so we can figure out what the answer is. And I will get right back with you in just a moment. Now, friends, if you worked this equation out correctly, you would have found out that x was equal to the number 4. So x is equal to 4, and that's part of the way to the answer, but we're not finished. Because here again, you've been asked to figure out what AM is, and what MB is, and what AB is. Well, since you know that these two parts are equal, this part and this part are equal, let's just plug the 4 in because we know that this side is equal here. So to figure out what AM is, we're going to say 4 times 4 plus 1. Okay? And when you get that, that works out to be 17. So that means that AM is 17 right here. And MB all the way across, that's also 17. So first of all, let's say AM is equal to 17. And then to figure out what AB is, I just add my 17s together. And 17 plus 17 is 34. And the reason I get 34 is I added these two numbers together. Okay? And so the solution there, x is equal to 4. AM is equal to 17. And the whole segment AB is equal to 34. Okay? And there are two types of equations that we use, and I'm going to let you look at those right here. Okay? On a median problem, even on a midpoint problem, or when you have halves and wholes, there's two types of equation that you have, okay? You are going to use a blank equals blank equation when you got two congruent parts, okay? So I'm going to say if you have two congruent parts, use this equation. Oh, goodness gracious. What the hell? That's all recording.